Good morning, class 4th. Today we are going to read third part of chapter 4, that is people and their skills. So class 4th, we have seen in this chapter that Riya and her friend Yashi met with Masood, Dayalchand, Chunnilal and Rubal. Now in this class, let's see how many more people met with Riya and her friend Yashi. So class 4th, open page number 17 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read. Sunil. Who is Sunil? Riya and her friend Yashi met with Sunil, who is a cycle mechanic. So Sunil is a cycle mechanic. He repairs cycles with his tools such as screwdriver, spanner and cycle pump. He learned the skill of cycle repairing from the owner of the shop. So class 4th, underline some words. I can't underline, but you can. You have to underline a screwdriver. A screwdriver, a tool that fits into the head of a screw to turn it. Now you have to underline spanner. Spanner, a tool for opening or turning a nut or bolt. Now you have to underline cycle pump. Cycle pump is used to force air into tires. So Sunil has learned to repair bicycle from the shop owner. And Sunil is a cycle mechanic. He needs tools such as screwdriver, spanner and cycle pump to repair cycles. Now come to the Nikhil. So next, Riya and her friend Yashi met with Nikhil. Nikhil joined an engineering college after finishing school. He is an engineer now. He builds bridges and buildings. So Nikhil took admission in an engineering college after completing his school, and now he is an engineer. He builds bridges and buildings. Riya wants to know, name another type of mechanic. So bus mechanic or car mechanic can be type of a mechanic. So you can fill here. Car mechanic in your book. Now next Riya and her friend Yashi met with Arjun. He is Arjun. Arjun Singh is a driver. He learned to drive at a driving school. Then he got a driving license. Now he drives a school bus. He brings children from their homes to school. When the school gets over, he takes the children back to their homes. So students, you have to underline this word license, driving license, which means it is a card or paper showing that you are qualified to drive because you have passed a driving test. I am repeating, it is a card or paper showing that you are qualified to drive because you have passed a driving test. Now, you have seen from this paragraph that Arjun Singh is a driver. He learned to drive from driving school. He got a driving license from his driving school. Now Arjun drives a school bus. He takes the children from their home to school in his bus, and after the school is over, he brings the children from school to their home. Now about fact and. To drive a vehicle, you need a license. You should be 18 years of age or more to get a license. So, you have to have a license to drive a vehicle, and you get this license only after you are 18 years of age or even older. So, students, that's all for today. In the next class, we will start from Sandeep, who is a doctor. So, thank you, class.